welcome back finally. I know it's been a few weeks since we all seen our pretty faces.
Yeah.
We've all been pretty busy, as you can tell. We're not in our normal spots anymore. We are in our permanent spot.
And we have doors that we can close to keep things from running around and stuff. So
yes, which y'all can't really see.
Yeah,
that's okay.
No tours yet, sorry.
So, as you see in front of us, you know what we're getting into today. A little bit of computer build.
Yeah.
It's not a gaming computer either. This is my old case.
If you want to see Trevor's new computer, we'll put a little thing up here for you.
Yeah,
just check it out.
Check it out. So we just got our basic stuff here. It's just for a home computer, just for getting on internet, surfing the web and stuff like that. It's not gaming at all. So.
Right, paying bills, maybe some Facebook, you know, looking at pictures and stuff.
That's it.
This is, it's not for either one of us either.
It's a family member.
Yes, and they don't know they're getting it, which is even better because they currently have a laptop that is a single core AMD processor. It is old. I put an SSD in the computer for him, it helped a little, but now it's CPU bound and it is miserably slow. It runs Windows XP and that is not compatible with 7 or 10 or 11. So they're due for an upgrade. So this is a big one.
So we have all this goody-goo stuff.
Yep, starting on the right side, we have Trevor's old motherboard.
Whoop, whoop.
Hey, what is it? A B365 DS3H by Gigabyte. I have a similar one in the Vader computer actually, but it's the AMD variant. And it's a great motherboard. It's compatible with 9th gen Intel, which is why you see a i5 down there. It is a 9th gen Intel i5 CPU with, I believe it's 6 cores. You may notice there is no GPU. That's because that CPU is it has onboard Intel graphics, and that's all you need for viewing pictures and going online and stuff like that. The motherboard has an HDMI port and stuff like that, so that'll do.
Then you have your 550.
It's actually an overpowered power supply, but it's a good one that if she ever needed to or wanted to put a graphics card in, she could put a budget graphics card in and it would run it just fine. Not to mention, I believe it's an 80 plus gold. It is, so it's very reliable. It's going to be perfect. Should give her no problems at all for the life of this computer.
And we're going to get a little hate from this, but we are putting NVMe drives in this thing.
Yes, not only NVMe, because that motherboard is compatible with NVMe, but it's only compatible with PCIe 3.0. The drive down here is a Western Digital Black 500 gigabyte drive, which is a PCIe 4.0. We won't be able to utilize the 4.0 speeds.
Whatever.
But to be fair, I didn't actually buy that drive. I bought a Western Digital PCIe 3.0 economy drive, like the green one.
And they sent them one in a 4.0 package.
Yep, and it was also double the capacity. I bought a 240 and they ended up giving me a 500 gigabyte. So
can't complain.
Not complaining. I wish I had another one I could stick in here so I can use that one somewhere else, but whatever. It's for this project, so that's what it's there for. We are only putting in this 8 gigabyte stick of RAM. We figured if it needs more, we can stick more in it. It's cheap RAM, it's G-Skill Aegis. Anyway, I've never personally used it, but I know G-Skill's it's a good company. And we're just gonna go throw 2 120 millimeter Cooler Master fans in this. One in the front as an intake, one in the back as an exhaust. That's probably overkill too, but shouldn't have any overheating issues. And since it's a non-K CPU, there's no overclocking anyway.
Y'all ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Power supply is on. Trevor, you mind hitting the button?
I'll do the honors. Yeah.
We got fans spinning. So here's the Intel Core i5 9400 non-K, no overclocking. The RAM, I put it in DIMM slot 2. No SATA devices because there is no SATA. There is, however, one Western Digital Black 500 gigabyte drive, which is the NVMe. Yeah, so that's it. All 8 gigs of RAM, CPU showing properly. This is one of the weakest systems we've built.
Nice.
But it's not a gaming rig, so it doesn't really matter.
Well, guys, there you go.
That's that. Nice, simple computer build. Everything's there. Everything's working.
It's working great, looking good.
Yep. I just have to put an operating system on it, which I already have on a flash drive. Don't
I don't need to see that.
That's boring.
If you like that video, give us that thumbs up.
Please don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe so you know when we release new content.
And share. We're only going to get there with you guys' care.
Woo!
Alright, guys.
Cool.
See y'all next time.